How to fix my mobile hotspot not showing on other devices. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if your mobile hotspot is not showing on another devices. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So behind your problem there could be several reasons. So let's see how we can fix it. First of all, verify your mobile hotspot setting. Ensure your hotspot is enabled on your phone. So for that, open up settings in your device and tap on network and internet. Here tap on hotspot and tethering. Here tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. So here make sure you have turned on this toggle that says use Wi-Fi hotspot. Scroll down a bit and make sure that your SSID or your network name and ensure it is not hidden. If you have turned on the toggle that says hide SSID, make sure to toggle it off. Once you have done this, you can go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, now you have to adjust your hotspot band setting. So once you're under your Wi-Fi hotspot setting page, if you go to AP band, tap on it. Now, if you have set it to 5 GHz band preferred, you can switch it to 2.4 and check whether that will help to fix a problem or not. If this still does not help you, what you can do is you can update your network name and password. You can change your SSID or your network name and password to something simpler new. You can avoid special characters in SSID or password. Once you have changed your password and your SSID, you can turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot and try to reconnect and see whether your hotspot is visible to other devices or not. If still not, ensure that you have active internet connection via mobile data. Verify your mobile data is enabled, and if you have sufficient data balance or plan validity in your SIM card. If that's not your case, the last option will be to check for your software updates. If your software is missing out any updates, you might be facing such problem. So to check for your software update, you can again go back to your setting page. Once you're here, scroll all the way down, then tap on system. Once you're here, tap on software update. If you have any pending update, you can install it now. Once you have installed now, your problem will be solved. So that these are all the way to fix if your mobile hotspot is not showing on other device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.